Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term heartbeat. It's not just a rhythmic thump. There's more to this term. Let's feel the pulse of understanding. Meaning. So, a heartbeat is the sound produced by the contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles, typically felt as a rhythmic pulsation. It's a vital sign of life. Usage. Imagine listening to the reassuring heartbeat of a newborn, or feeling your own heartbeat quicken with excitement or exercise. Examples. Think of a doctor using a stethoscope to listen to a patient's heartbeat, or the comforting sound of a steady heartbeat during a moment of quiet reflection. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɑrt́bit, heartbeat. Simple and resonant, right? Different uses. Ever heard of heartbeat metaphor? It's used to describe the core or essence of something, like the heartbeat of a city. Conclusion. If the word heartbeat resonates with you, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.